Okay. All right, guys, thank you for coming into my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back here. All right, so thank you. Now, yesterday, how is it like? OK， so 谢谢大家。Right， 那么昨天呢，在这里看到的时候呢，其实看到蛮多人都是在下半场的时候才出现我们要的这个交易架构，对不对？OK，所以呢，现在在目前在这里的话，我们这样一看的话呢，哈，OK，我们今天还是要依旧的去分析。那么昨天我们分析的这些货币对呢，有一些货币对呢，今天真的开始要下来了哈。OK，Hi Mawai 你好，Hi Fab 你好，Alright，Hi Bradley，nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Right. Okay, so let me have my MT4 please. Okay, right. Let me have my MT4. Okay. Good. Okay, now let's go. All right, so over here, hi, Hubert, and hi Roger. Yes, Flora. Nice to see all of you here. Okay, we will quickly go into our analysis. All right. Okay, so remember to click on the subscribe button over here so that you can get the notification whenever I go live in analysis, again analyzing all the charts. All right, so we are also having a plans now. Right now we are going into more live session with all of you. Okay, all right, so yeah, okay, in the in the west, yeah. Okay, now let's go. All right, I hope it's not very laggy, okay, because I'm not sure if everything is okay. All right, so IG side, if you let me know, because today we are connecting to 9 servers. Okay, right. So okay, so let me know if it's a bit lagging. Okay, so give me your feedback, then leave your comment below. All right. Okay, so quickly now let's go. I will still be conducting this in English and also in Mandarin. All right. 好，我在这个今天呢，我在这里呢，都会在分析的这个阶段里面，都会用英语和中文来讲解，好不好？好了，那么喜欢我的频道的，记得点个赞 ，OK， 然后记得要关注哈 ，OK。All right, so thank you so much. Then I think we are about to start. Okay, we are going to start, right? Sawadee-krap. All right, so let's go. Aussie can. Aussie can. All right, Aussie can today. We are after the bull run. Okay, so now running on the bull, it retraced backwards and it has a retracement. Continue to go up for a further buy. Okay, so today it's coming down. All right, but I would say that now it's already missed. We have already missed the opportunity, so we don't have a chance right now to do any selling. Okay. Like I said, this Aussie can very likely that we are going for we'll be going for a bull run. So this is actually over at this side here is actually a retracement in the bull market. So please be careful. All right. So be careful about how is this going to. If you are going to sell this, I would say probably we do have a lot of space because now tentatively looking at the new support over here, it's actually very tight. So I don't think it's a good time to sell now. Okay, it is not very good. All right. Okay, so if we really want to sell, make sure that it breaks the support over here with a new resistance below, then we start selling. If not, then we will not sell. Okay. All right. So tentatively, I'm going to skip this Aussie can. All right. 澳加的话呢，现在暂时看来好像有做空的机会，的确是有，但是呢，要等它先突破了这个支撑位置以后，然后我们才可以在底下支撑底下有新的压力出现的时候才做单子 ，OK， 好不好？那么在这里，好了哈，现在这个澳加可以关注吗？我暂时是不会想要关注哈，说实话。OK，all right，so Aussie franc tentatively. Okay, let's look at how is it going. Like I said yesterday, the consolidation is over here, so we do not know whether it's going to break out or actually continue to retest the support. So it looks like today is going to retest the support. By looking at it right now, okay, let's take a look over here. We still have plenty of chance to go for this Aussie franc, okay. But Aussie franc, as for Aussie franc, right now it's actually going down very low. Okay, it's going down very low and going down very low to meet another previous support. Okay, this previous support, which is kind of strong. Okay, so right now I want to wait for the next few hours for Aussie franc to retrace. Okay, and we have a new resistance below the support level, then we start selling. Okay, that's for Aussie franc. All right. So tentatively, I think right now at this point of time, it seems that it's going to break. Okay, looks good as well. Yep, indeed, it is looking good. But the thing is that if we enter a trade right now, we are going to chase it. So we are not going to chase a trade. Okay, so we're going to be patient and remember patient pays well. Okay. 好了，那么奥瑞的话，现在看起来好像是要突破了哈，还是可以再往下跌的，可能性是蛮大的。但是先突破这个支撑位置吧 ，OK， 先突破这个支撑位置。那么你觉得说这个时候是可以这个做空？那么为什么不要现在进场呢？其实为什么？因为现在进场的话，很大可能性它就会跌，但是也有很大可能性它已经跌到谷底，我们呢就变成在追单子，所以呢现在不要在这里啊，我们现在等它回调，等它回调了以后。然后在这个支撑位置以下形成新的压力位置的时候呢，我们才来开始进单子 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so today actually what we can pay attention to is this Aussie franc, looking good, okay, Aussie franc. The next one, okay, next one, right? Later I will post whatever I've chosen in the comment below, all right, so that everybody can pay attention to, all right. And the next one, Aussie yen. I was looking at this resistance level. However, it went up, a breakout, and now to the next resistance level, which has a new resistance over here, which is coming for a selling. Am I right? So tentatively, we are still heading down for a selling. However, this part here, if you can see, it is actually on the support. So currently, we are left with a number of 18 pips, maybe about after less of 25%. I think it's only you only left with about 15 maximum 15 pips of profits to run. So yeah, looks good. However, please be careful today. Aussie yen, all the Aussie has been falling, but it looks like it's going to retrace anytime. If it retrace, I will rather wait for the Aussie to retrace upwards to form a new resistance before I actually come into a play to enter a trade. Okay, so very likely I will say that it's roughly estimated. It should be around here. All right, it should be around here. This level. Okay, this level. All right. So you can see this level of resistance. I'm going to wait for Aussie yen to retrace upwards and hits on the resistance without breaking, start to turn down, then I start selling. Okay. All right. So Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. Okay, too many screen. I don't know where should I go. All right. Okay. So over here, let's take a look now. And what we are going to do is that OK，澳日的话还可以做空吗？是可以的，有机会。但是呢，最好是等它回调到上面来，然后在这上面来的时候呢，在这一段然后呢碰到这个压力位置的时候，在这个压力位置不突破的情况下呢，才来做单子，这样会更好啊，好不好 ？OK，All right，CK 你好，还有哎呦汉 say 哦。哎呀 miss you a lot, man. All right. Okay. Okay. So how's the soju? Soju, is it very nice? Okay. Okay. So now let's look at Aussie Kiwi. All right. Let's take a look at the Aussie Kiwi. And this Aussie Kiwi is still on the bull run. Okay. Tentatively still on the bull run, but we are going to face some of the consolidation. Okay. By looking at this, if you think that it's going to stop, it's going to short, all right, maybe I'm not sure, all right. But looking at this, really, I'm really not sure. Okay, so but what I'm sure about it is that okay, we have a chance to sell, but maybe it's on the second half or tomorrow. Okay, so now tentatively I will say there's nowhere we can go. All right, so Aussie Kiwi I'm going to give you a miss. Okay. 好了，那么在这个澳纽的话呢，现在目前暂时这样这一看的话，其实好像没有什么看头啊，不上不下的看来好像要跌了，可是还没有到了我看应该是要等这下半场或者明天才有机会 ，OK， 好不好 OK，so 澳牛的话可以关注哈，可是是下半场或者明天了哈。All right, so Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is going to retest the support level. Okay, by looking at this movement, it's going to retest the support level, which is I think pretty good. And yep, this is what I have been waiting for the past few days. Okay, so we have a very good space, 60 over pips. So by looking at this now, how are we going to trade on Aussie dollar? Okay, Aussie dollar, I'm going to look out for one resistance level. Okay, one resistance level. And this resistance level that it may become a very good short for all of us. So tentatively, all right, what we are looking at is that over here, this point here, this level, I would say that it's maybe this level. Okay, right. So it's around here. It's around here. Okay. Hi, Susan. 你好. Hey, Susan, from where? Whenever I hear Susan, I will start speaking Mandarin. Okay. Right. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I guess probably we need to wait for a little while. All right. So Aussie dollar, I would say that it will continue to I think the retracement can be quite big, huh? Okay, about 20 to 30 pips. Okay, it's around this range. Okay, it's around this range. So once it reverse, okay, retrace upwards with a new resistance, then I will continue to sell. All right, if Aussie dollar permits. Okay, if it doesn't break the resistance, then I will sell. Okay, I will sell Aussie dollar when there's a new resistance. Tentatively, no way to sell. This is chasing. No way, no way. Okay, all right. So let's go. OK， 澳美的话还可以做空，有机会，但是呢，先要等它先回来到这个范围的这个压力位置哈。OK， 那么呢，有新的压力出现以后呢，才可以做单子。OK， 好不好 ？All right。Okay, so Euro Aussie, right? So Euro Aussie is a cross pair from Aussie. So as we know, Aussie is running very weak today. So obviously, Euro Aussie is going to take an opportunity to run for some profits. Okay, buying is possible, but look out for the resistance level. Okay, once the Euro Aussie has stopped somewhere, and that means to say the Aussie is going to become stronger, then I think all the previous Aussie pair, the analysis we have to give up, and then we'll focus on Euro Aussie to sell. All right. Okay, so Euro Aussie, we are looking out for this resistance for buying. Okay, for people who are buying, look out for this resistance level. Let me check, is it correct? Okay, to be more exact here. Yep. Okay, so it should be around. Yep. You see, there are so many resistance. 1, 2. Okay, we still have a good buying to go. All right. Okay, so just take note of any market changes in the midst of the trading hours. Okay, so just take note. Okay, please don't buy Euro Aussie blindly. Okay, all right. So Euro Aussie I'm going to give a miss. I'm not going to put into my list for selling. Okay, so 欧澳的话，今天只有做多不能做空了哈。OK， 那么呢，在这里我们再看一下 Euro CAD。OK，let's take a look at Euro CAD. Euro CAD, if we are looking at this Euro CAD, as you know, okay, this Euro CAD is actually pushing on the support. So right now it's still on the bull run, very obvious. Okay, the bull has been running higher low. So as you can see, this part here is running upwards, correct? So it's buying. Okay, it's very obvious. Okay, I'm not going to use very professional terminology so that I look professional. I just be a layman, all right? So this is the way that I'm looking at it. Very simple logic behind. I will share with you on my next live session. Okay, so all these are kind of some knowledge are there. The knowledge is there. So, but I'm just keeping it very simple to explain that this is a bull trend. Okay, so now buying is possible. Okay, so Euro CAD will give you a miss for selling today. OK， so 欧加的话呢，欧加今天有做多的现象还是在牛市里面，所以呢，今天这个牛市呢还是有机会再做多不过在做多的时候呢，也当然要注意到的就是你的那个压力位置在哪里OK， 好不好 ？All right， so 今天欧加做空就没有，我就要跳过了All right， So Euro Pound, we are on the support. Okay, on the support since yesterday I was talking about it, and it's still on the support. And now, since it's still on the support, it's still running on the buy side. So Euro Pound good to buy, not to sell. All right. OK， 欧镑做多不做空啦，今天 ，All right， 它很简约了哈，一看就知道的，是不是 ？OK，so now let's go to Euro Kiwi. After the consolidation over here, like I say, okay, there will be a chance which this is on the support and it's on the bull, and very likely it's going to shoot. Am I right? So yep. So since that's the case, it's already starting to shoot, and now it's still on the buying side. Okay, but coming for a resistance over in this area yesterday where we drew this. So this resistance level is here. It may slow down and it may break out and continue to go for a bull run. Okay, estimated this Euro Kiwi will run to about $1.706. Okay, so about there. All right, so maybe very highly possible. So buying is possible, not for selling. 欧牛的话呢，今天呢还是在做多的情况啊，所以还是没有办法来在这边断定它笃定说今天一定是会往下跌哈，所以欧牛还会继续再往上升哈，所以呢在这里呢。上升的这个空间还蛮大的哦，还有到差不多1.706的空间，所以做多的朋友恭喜你们了哈。Okay, so yeah, let's move. Okay. All right, so let's move into euro dollar. Euro dollar, we are consolidating on the support level, and as you can see, we have good space to sell about 20 over pips for euro dollar, and so let's see if there's a chance. Okay, 20 over pips of space over here, not really that ideal, is because tentatively it's still on the support, running on a higher low, so it's quite dangerous. So euro dollar is end of a retracement coming back here, and but it don't really looks good because it has been consolidating in this level quite low, and it's not very optimistic. So tentatively, in terms of technical analysis, I will say that I will wait. Okay, I will wait for it. In my system here, aqua cuts below the white line with a new resistance below, then I start trading. Okay, but look out for the available space by then. Okay， 好。Alright, so 这个欧美的话，欧美有机会做空吗？可是现在在支撑赛啊，这个许蓝线还在白线上面。那么我要的话，我会等它先下来，许蓝线割下白线以后啊，然后呢，新的压力位红点的出现在这个压力位置底下，新的压力出现，我才开始做单子，好不好？可以吗？OK， 好，可以哈。Alright, so yes, that's right. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this euro dollar, okay. I'm going to give it a miss, okay, since it's not very clear, okay. Alright, so like 这个磅澳哈 okay, pound Aussie, same thing, cross pair, Aussie is running very weak and pound is still taking the opportunity to override on it, okay. So tentatively, I'm going to give Aussie pound a miss for buying and selling is because there's no way to sell, but we are very near to the resistance. If you're buying, you're going to knock on the wall. So I'm going to give you a miss today. All right. 磅澳的话很靠近压力位置了，那么也在牛市里，所以上下都不能做今天，所以呢暂时就放掉，好不好啊 ？Okay, so now let's go for euro. For pound cat. Pound cat is very obvious and it's very straightforward. It's still on the bull run, good for buying. Okay, good for buying, not for selling. This is over here. Okay, good for buying, not for selling. All right. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this pound cat, we're going to give you a miss today. Okay, so we're going to give you a miss. And now, 磅价的话，今天要跳过了，只有做多没有做空的了哈。Okay, all right. So pound franc over here, pound franc, which is very straightforward as well. Now it's still running on the bull. Yesterday we have some retracement trading on the pound franc. Okay, and managed to grab some. Okay, I think that's quite fine if you're good in retracement trading. Okay, however, today no no way. Today no more. Okay, still running on the bull. All right, so the resistance level has not really achieve that. Okay, so currently I will still say that tentatively we were going to give a miss for pound franc to sell, because I'm looking at the chart and I'm looking at the movement. It has a potential movement of bull running to the resistance level to try to break it. Okay, so I think I will give you a miss today. All right，棒瑞的话，现在你这样看着它在这里往上升的时候是个牛市啊，所以现在呢看着它很清楚，直接就是牛市，做多不能做空啊。OK，all right，so pound yen，哈哈，pound yen，once again，pound yen。Right, so for pound yen over here, okay, when you're looking at pound yen, can you see that pound yen? Okay, pound yen is meeting up on the resistance level already. So now pound yen, this resistance level, when we meet up with this, okay, is it confirmed that it's going to sell? No, it's not yet. Okay, I will want to wait for the H4. Okay, there's a support level here. Okay, and now it has formed a new resistance level here and comes down to meet the support. Am I right? So I'm going to wait for pound yen. All right. The next level to go is that the next stage to go is to break the support, retrace a new resistance below the support level. Then we start selling. Okay, that's how I'm going to look at it. All right. So the next one is looking at H1. We are on the support. It's very obvious. So the next thing is to go is that break the support, come down and retrace to the below the support, new resistance, then we start selling. Okay, all right. OK， 所以在这个棒日这里哈，棒日我们看着它已经在开始一直在上升，上升前几天都在我之前在11月的时候等它下，等到它10月的时候等它，11月的时候它下，现在12月的时候它上去，那么现在开始要下来了，现在开始要下来的时候呢，是确定现在就要下来吗？还不能确定。好，那么我要等的是现在这个1小时图这里啊。那么呢，它在4小时图里面呢，现在这个部分创造了这个最新的这个压力位置，然后回调上去的时候，最好呢现在能回调上去碰到这个新的压力位置之后下来，现在再尝试突破这个支撑位置嘛，对不对 ？OK， 那么如果这个能突破的话，等它回调上去，在这个支撑位置底下，然后呢形成新的压力的话，我们才来做空，好不好 ？OK， 好，这是有机会的，这个棒日是有机会的哈，所以呢，暂时我们可以耐心的等待，因为这个真的出现，看来像我说的，它往下跌的可能性就很大，而且点数也会很多，所以在这一方面的话都很好。都可以去关注它哈。Okay, all right. So now I'm going to take note about this pound yen, or maybe not today, but it may be tomorrow or so. Okay, so let's just pay attention to pound yen as well. Okay, all right. It's going to be a long run, so pay attention to pound yen. Okay, all right. 棒日可以关注了哈，现在等它回调了，这个往下跌哈。Okay, all right. So pound kiwi, all right. But until now, pound kiwi is still on the bull run, straightforward. It's breaking out to another higher level over here. So bull run is very highly possible. It's not highly possible. It is. What am I talking about? Okay, so buyers take note. All right, so sellers stay away. Okay, 棒牛只能做多，不能做空了哈，棒牛。所以呢，现在就有做多的可能性。OK， 那么我们就要接下来我们去看一下。Until now, you have watched the video until here. Remember to give me a like, okay, and smash the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, okay, and I will see you daily. Okay, all right. So pound dollar over here, what we are looking at, we have a chance now coming to sell. Since we have made up with one of the resistance over here, okay, so pretty good. Okay, over here. So if you can see, the resistance is coming. But the thing is that the pound dollar, okay, the thing is that pound dollar is actually starting on the bull. Okay, starting. Okay. It is starting, but not yet. Okay, but it's still it is reaching to this level whereby it's going to, it's going to break the resistance or it's not, and it's going to resist down. So it's still in the transition period. So in general, okay, in the general trend, I'm looking at that it may has a chance to sell, but may not be today. It seems like it's the same as a pound yen, huh? Okay, yes, it is. All right. So over here, pound dollar, we can take a look. Okay, how is it like we are going to sell? If I'm going to sell this pound dollar, okay, let's see. I'm going to have the support is here. Okay, around here. So the next support level is over here. So it's still climbing. It's now climbing. Okay, so right now it's here. Let me see. We have 30 over pips to go. So the next resistance below the support level, yes, we can sell. Okay, then we will start selling. All right, so over here, OK，那么我们来看看一下棒美。棒美的话，其实现在是可以有机会做空的，但是这个棒美要做空的话呢，同样的哈，就是要先等它在这个支撑位置底下，现在尝试突破，然后呢回调，在这个支撑的底下有新的压力位置，红点出现 ，OK，那就是我们要开始做空了哈。那个时候我看这里应该有30几个点啊的空间，还算不错的哈，所以有耐心等待哈。OK，so yeah。Have you smashed the like button? Okay, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD today we're having after yesterday I was saying that you have going to have a good chance to sell into the bear market, but the support over here today over here is forms another support, so it's looking for another resistance level. So it's the same thing like a pound dollar. It has a transition. So right now it looks like one into coming. So it's testing on the previous resistance level, which is here. Okay, over here, can you see a V shape here? Yeah, this is the resistance level. So if this resistance is not breaking, then tomorrow, then we will have a good chance to sell. Okay, so dollar CAD today will still be on the buying side, not on the selling side. Okay, all right. So 美加的话呢，美加在这里，美加在这里的话，你这一看，现在还有空间再继续做多。所以呢，现在目前不能做空了哈 ，OK， 所以我要跳过了。All right, so dollar franc. How about dollar franc? Dollar franc over here. Dollar franc is very also straightforward. Dollar franc, it's still on the bull run because as I can see, it hits on the support level and now it retrace upwards. It's not retesting anymore. It's going to retrace upwards. So, well, buying is possible. I wouldn't be looking into selling anymore. Okay, all right. 美瑞的话就不能做空了哈，因为看着它整体的这个趋势已经达成了这个支撑位置，所以没有办法的现在上去，让它制造新的一个压力位置，它才会有往下跌的现象。所以这个是今天嘛，所以可能还要等上好几天的时间呐，好不好 ？OK， all right, OK, so next to go, right, dollar yen, all right, dollar yen. So dollar yen is another one just like pound yen. Okay, we are experiencing now another level of selling. Okay, this level of selling by creating a new resistance. We do not know whether is it going to start selling right now. Okay, so I will prefer to wait. Okay, just hang on and wait for it to happen. Then we start selling on the pound yen and the dollar yen. So dollar yen, I'm going to give you a miss today. All right. But keep it in mind that it may happen in the next few days. Okay, all right. Okay, so I guess it's about all. And let me see. Okay, recap this. We are going for Aussie franc. Okay, we are going for Aussie franc. We are going for Aussie yen, Aussie dollar. But we have to wait for a new resistance. And pound yen and pound dollar. Okay, wow, looks like there's nothing for euro. Okay, so stay away now. But in this session, when I don't pick any euro, it doesn't mean that it will not short. Okay, it will not sell. Okay, so even probably on the next second half of the day, euro will start selling, will start to short. Am I right? Okay, so guess what? Patience really pays. Okay, all right. So yep, that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, and remember to click on the subscribe button so that whenever I go live, you will be notified. And I will be uploading a lot of videos to share with you the 2022 trading ideas and strategy to be a successful trader. All right. I shall see you again. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. See you tomorrow.